Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, boys and girls. How are you? Hope you're doing good and fine. Welcome to Sum It Up in our lesson. Today, after we finish the whole lesson, let's open this page. Page 383. Alright? And let me ask you this question. Can you answer it or not? What kind of energy do you see in this picture? What do you think? What kind? Look at the picture and tell me what can you see over here. And then, after you finish, please find the lesson vocabulary, which is already highlighted in yellow. Find it in your book and then write it down. Are you ready to see the answers? Alright, let's see the answers. Okay, so I can see light energy. Yes, and our lesson vocabulary was energy, sound, light, heat, vibrate, pitch, loudness. Yes. Now open with me to sum it up, page 392. 392. Question number 1, write it. Name 3 kinds of energy. 3 kinds of energy. Okay, now number 2, circle the answer. What happens when you add heat to something? What can happen when you add? Remember the add, using, adding and subtracting. Over here we are adding heat to something. It gets cooler or it gets warmer. What do you think? Alright, now question number 3. Match each picture to the kind of energy it shows. Okay, a picture may show 2 kinds of energy. So when you look at this boy, what is this boy doing? And what kind of energy it might be? What about this lamp? What kind of energy it can be? And ooh, I see fire. Are you ready to see the answers? Alright, let's see the answers. So, 3 kinds of energy. Definitely we know heat, light, and sound. Excellent, boys. If you got it right, put a big stars next to your answers. You deserve it. Now, circle the answer. What happens when you add heat to something? Definitely it gets warmer. When you take away heat, it gets cooler. Remember, adding and subtracting. Adding gives you more heat, but subtracting gives you cold. Yes, definitely. Now, the boy over here, he vibrates, so what happened? Yes, he makes a sound, and it is sound energy. What about this lamp? It gives you, when you turn on the lamp, it gives you light energy. Excellent. And fire can give you heat. It warms you up in cold days. Excellent. Now let's go to the next one. All right. Write a word from the word bag bank for each clue. So I have over here word bank, energy, loudness, heat, and vibrate. So I want you to provide each word for each clue. All right? Number 1. How loud or soft sound is? What do I say? Energy, loudness, heat, or vibrate? When I want to know how loud something or soft, a sound. I'm talking about a sound. Okay, number 2. To move back and forth very quickly. Move back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. What is it? What do I call it? Do I call it energy, loudness, heat, or vibrate? Now, question number 3. Can cause matter to move or change? So the ability to move or change is what? Good job. Number 4. Energy that makes things warmer. What energy that can make things warmer? All right, boys and girls, after you solve from 1 to 4, you have to take out the letters that are circled and write them in order over here. Then I am energy that let you see what am I. I'm sure if you do this right, you'll find the last one. Now, are you ready to see the answers? All right, let's see them. Excellent. If you got it right, you have to put a big star next to your name, all right? Or next to your answers. Now, how loud or soft sound is? Definitely, it's loudness. And when something moves back and forth very quickly, it vibrates and can cause matter to change or move. Definitely, it's energy. And energy that makes things warmer, of course, it's heat. Yes. And I am energy that lets you see. What am I? Yes, you are a light. Light energy. Excellent, boys and girls. Bravo. Now let's see the last page. Fill in the chart, write the effect of each cause. So this is because this happened this. I want you to tell me the effect. When you add light, what happened? When you add light, you can give more than answer. It's not necessarily to be just the same of my answer, because when adding light, a lot of things can happen. Can you tell me some or one thing? Write it over here. What about when you add some heat? When you add heat, what could happen? When you add more energy to make sound, you add more energy to make sound. What happened? All these causes, what can they do? Are you ready to see the answers? Let's see them now. All right. If you are adding light, things can look brighter, or colors can look clear. You can say anything. So things looks definitely bright and everything you can see clear. What about if you are adding heat? Things get warmer. Definitely, whenever you are adding heat, things get warmer. Whenever you are taking away heat, it is getting cooler. Okay, adding more energy to make sound get loud. louder. Of course, you need more energy to make your sound louder. Now, for example, if you are screaming, and sometimes when you talk, you use less energy. But when you scream, you use more energy. And that's it, boys and girls, for today. See you next week. Thank you for listening.